Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Breaking news. Edo court agrees to hear suits seeking to disqualify Ize Iyamu and Abdul. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time we're reaching you today. A very big thank you to every one of you for your continuous and massive support. We truly, really appreciate you. God bless you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe if this is your first time. Apolline Media, we keep you up to date with all that is going on in Nigeria and around the world. Yes, my people, we brought to you a few days ago with regards to Ize Iyamu being asked to be disqualified as a result of his deputy, Abdul, who has a fraudulent result, apparently accused of fraudulent result. They filed a lawsuit against them. Apparently, it's not even a Obaseki or PDP. Yes, so the lawsuit was filed because this is exactly the same thing that happened in Bayelsa State, where the APC candidate who was declared the winner according to INEC was disqualified by the High Court with that result issue. Right now, the court has agreed to hear the lawsuit. The first day, the people that were sued in the court suit are Ize Iyamu Abdul, INEC, as well as other bodies involved with this. At the first sitting where the case was called upon, Ize Iyamu was absent. But guess what? The court has said we have to hear the case. This man also have another 700 million case that is still pending for October 18th, 2020, well after the whole election. And now a fresh lawsuit seeking to disqualify him from even contesting in the race. Don't forget that APC have had their flag off in Edo State just here on Saturday. Let's carry on with the news and get all the details with the court agreeing to listen to this lawsuit. Edo court agrees to hear suit seeking disqualification of Ize Iyamu Abdul. Remember, the governorship ticket is always a pair, the governor and his deputy. So it's one ticket. A federal high court in Abuja has resolved to hear a suit seeking disqualification of the governorship and deputy governorship candidates of the All Progressive Congress APC in Edo State. Pastor Osage Ize Iyamu and Gani Abdul are being called into a lawsuit with regards to Abdul's certificate. Justice Taiwo, in a ruling on Monday, fixed hearing, that's today, for August the 24th this year, just before the elections, for August this year, in the suit mark FHC/ABJ/SC/758/2020, filed with Honorable Mahmoud Abdul Razak and Honorable Ziram. Justice Taiwo, after listening to complainant's lawyer, Sir Friday, also ordered subsequent service of court proceedings on the third and fourth defendants, Abdul and Ize Iyamu, by having the court document posted to the gates of their known address and proof of service filed in court. Listed as the first and second defendant in the suits are the APC and Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). It is the plaintiff's contentment that Abdul altered his name in the certificate and other personal documents he submitted to INEC ahead of his disqualification from the governorship polls slated for September the 19th, 2020. The plaintiff wants the court to disqualify Abdul from participating in the election on the grounds that he allegedly gave false information to INEC about his academic qualification and his true identity. They also accuse him of engaging in plagiarism This also means the court to void the nomination of Ize Iyamu as APC governorship candidate on the grounds that he is contesting with an alleged unqualified deputy. In addition, they prayed the court for another order restraining APC from contesting the September 19 governorship election upon the disqualification of the third and fourth complainants. In a 41-page document deposited in support of the suit, the plaintiffs averred that Abdul contravened provision of electoral laws by providing false information and lying to oath in the form of 001 and submitted to INEC in support of his disqualification for the September governorship election after taking an oath saying that was the true state. He also gave a false document by swearing to oath, swearing affidavit to his document that they were in right order. That I know as a fact that both the alleged name Abdul Ghani in his 2020 form EC9, Abdul Ghani in the WAEC GCE of December 1983, Abdul on the APC card 0054243 are not the name of the third defendant as fully identified, confirmed by the stationary declaration of age A6A that accommodates third defendant 2019 form CF001 personally deposited by the third defendant at the register of the Chief Magistrate Court, Yobe, Lagos and Yobe, Lagos State as well, on 24/5, 1996. Razak further claimed that the deputy governorship candidate, who is a serving member of the Edo State House of Assembly representing Etiosa West constituency, submitted a different name in INEC in 2020 form that he submitted different from what he submitted in 2015 and 2019 CF001 form. He stated that the third defendant had no time in his various certificates paraded different names to the same person all belonging to him. We therefore seek the court to put an injunction preventing Ize Iyamu and his deputy from contesting in the election. Well, the Abuja court in the High Court in Abuja has finally agreed to say, you know what, we're going to even listen to this case. At the first instance, it's as if the case did not really matter. A lot of people trivialized it. We always say it. You know, in Nigeria, you have to be careful. What you are taking for levity, you are taking with a pinch of salt might just be what might just come back later on to bite you. Guys, what do you think? We don't have any much to say. The court is finally agreeing to listen and to disqualify Ize Iyamu and his deputy from contesting. We'll keep you up to date. Stay with us. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.